Well, it's about time for an update on the F100 project. So I've decided a while ago to pivot from using the Tesla Model 3 modules to Tesla Model S because they're smaller, more manageable, and these will actually fit inside the frame. And then maybe 3 or 4 stacked vertically inside the engine bay. So what I've got is I bought an entire pack from a P85, the 85 kilowatt version of the Model S, and I have basically cut this thing up, cut the ends off, and slid it down the middle. So now that I've got this 2 sections that will easily fit in the frame rails, and then I've retained all of the factory mounting positions and brackets and everything so that I can have this thing mounted safely. It'll be sturdy, and it's basically in its factory case. So what I'm doing now is I took off the OEM B&B board off of the module, and I've installed these ampere volt ones that are basically just pass-throughs so I can use a normal BMS. I've got the dilithium set up. So now what I've done is I've made this little custom cable to go from my little bitty LiPo charger here into the battery so that I can balance charge these cells and get them. I'll probably get it up to 80 to 85% charged. You're doing it this way, but what I really want to do is make sure that each one of these cells is as close to identical as I can get them, and then I'll reassemble them together and then use the big BMS and the big charger to finish charging it all the way. But I want to get them balanced properly first, and that's going to take a long time. So that's what I've been busy doing, is hacking up Tesla Model S battery pack and getting everything ready to use those. So the nice thing about the way I'm going to do this is I've got all the factory coolant lines still there. Those are all going to be attached perfectly. And then instead of connecting these together down the center where they used to be, I'm just going to daisy chain them, in series, and then I'll build a custom end cap and then a custom covers to go over these things once they're in the frame. But that is the plan, and that is my latest update on the F100.